Introduce features highlight or overview summary about UMUACCAN space heater. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include: fast heating, powerful 1500 watts PTC ceramic heating allows this space heater to heat up in seconds, suitable for warming up spaces in the home/offices/dorms/garage and more. UL certified safety and safe and worry-free all-day use. Made of V0 flame retardant materials with multiple safety features including built-in smart tip-over protection, overheat protection, 9-hour timer, 24-hour automatic power off without interaction. V0 flame retardant 2-prong plug, and sturdy 5 feet long power cord. Uniform heating, the exclusive trackball system helps create smooth and quiet oscillation. The 70 degrees wide angle oscillation, with a lifespan of over 750,000 cycles, boosts heating coverage by 20%, which helps distribute the warm air more evenly towards the room's corners. Energy efficiency, save on energy bills and live more sustainably. With a built-in precise temperature sensor, adjusts the working mode independently. -900 watt, 1500 watt/isothermal model. To achieve customized temperature settings with maximized efficiency and warmth. There is also natural wind mode, which is also suitable for buildings with central heating, so that the indoor temperature can be quickly and evenly covered. Simple use design, large buttons on the body, simple and easy to understand, suitable for families with children or the elderly. Usage comfort, the touch screen is placed on top of the heater for easier reach, and the remote provides at least 16 feet away. The 16-inch compact design makes our space heater a real space saver that is easy to move around with its hidden handle. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.